France's Constitutional Council has ruled that banning children under 15 from using social media constitutes a disproportionate infringement on their freedom of expression and communication, with potential consequences for their privacy. It's a setback for the French government, which had hoped the law would take effect at the start of the school year in September. Both chambers of parliament had voted in favour of the measure.
The Constitutional Council always reviews proportionality. The measure itself isn't unconstitutional, but on the one hand, it is too broad, and on the other hand, it lacks sufficient oversight and safeguards.
The government will now work on a new draft of the legislation. Another landmark measure, meanwhile, of President Emmanuel Macron's second five-year term did get the OK. The Council upheld legislation on the right to assisted dying. It was passed in Parliament in July after years of debate.
When it comes to banning social media, the Constitutional Council is taking a very strict stance. When it comes to end-of-life issues, less so. We didn't expect it to overturn the law entirely, but rather to pay closer attention to certain safeguards, particularly regarding individuals who lack full mental capacity.
Assisted dying will be available to adults who are French nationals or long-term residents. They must suffer from pain that is either unresponsive to treatment or, in the patient's view, unbearable if they have chosen not to receive or to stop receiving treatment. The lethal substance must normally be self-administered, although a healthcare professional may carry out the act if the patient is unable to do so. President Macron's office said the ruling completes an exemplary democratic debate. Certain organizations, however, describe the law as a serious threat to the most vulnerable.